So we start our Zohar reading with Beresheet chapter 1, making and engraving upon the supernal light, with the beginning of the manifestation of the king's will. This is when the king desired to emanate and create the world. A hard spark made an engraving upon the supernal light. It emanated from the most concealed of all concealed things, from the secret of the endless light, took a shapeless form. The spark was then inserted into the center of a circle that was neither white nor black nor red nor green nor any color at all. When it began its measurements, it created colors that shone into the empty space and the engraving. From within the hard spark, a fountain sprouted, from which the shades down below received their colors. From the most concealed of all concealed things, from the created of the endless light, emanated two faces. One cleaved and the other did not cleave. Its atmosphere was unknown until forceful blows split Atik, and a concealed supernal point shone. Beyond this point nothing is known, and because of this it is called by the name beginning, which means the first of the sayings. Chapter 2 of Beresheet. The brightness of the firmament. And they who are wise shall shine like the brightness of the firmament, and they who turn many to righteousness like the stars forever and ever. Daniel 12:3. And they who are wise alludes to those souls, to the souls of the righteous. The brightness of the firmament, to the illumination of the upper three Sephirot, which are revealed when combined with the attribute of mercy. The atmosphere of the brightness that is most concealed of all concealed things merged with this point and shone into it. Then this beginning, which is Erich Anpin, expanded into the head and body and made a chamber for its honor and glory. There inside the chamber, Erich Anpin planted the holy seed to bring forth souls for the benefit of the world. This is the secret of "so the holy seed is its immovable stump." Yeshaya 6:3. This is the secret of the words, "In the beginning Elohim created." Beresheet 1:1. This chamber is the brightness from which all 10 sayings were created, according to the secret of the expansion of the point from that hidden brightness. Thus, if the world created applies to it, no wonder it is written, "And Elohim created man in his own image." Beresheet 1:27. The brightness, which is Erich Anpin, is the secret of the beginning. Because its name is the first of all, the holy name Ahia is engraved upon the side of Erich Anpin. The name Elohim is engraved on the crown. And this is the secret of Asher, which is a concealed chamber and is the beginning of the revelation of the secret of the beginning. The word Asher consists of the same letters as Rosh, head, but in reverse order, as the letter Resh, which is the first letter in Rosh, is the last letter in Asher. This shows that it is the Rosh that came out of Reshit, beginning, which is Erich Anpin. Therefore, it emerged from the aspect of the head and was formed as a headless body. After the point and the chamber were established as one, Beresheet, which is Erich Anpin, includes a lofty beginning to the light of Chokmah. Later, the appearance of the chamber changed, and it was called a house, Bait, and the supernal point was called the head, Rosh. They were included in each other through the secret of the beginning. Because combining the words Beit and Rosh forms the term beresheet. This was so as long as Beit and Rosh were as one, as long as there was no manner of habitation in the house, as long as Chokmah was not clothed with Chasadim, which reveals the four colors of the house. But it was shown for the purpose of habitation, and once it was inhabited, it was called by the name Elohim, hidden and concealed. The brightness was concealed and hidden until the children came inside it in order to beget, and the house stood expanded to contain what was established through the holy seed. As long as it had not conceived, the expansion of the house to make it inhabitable had not occurred, nor was it yet called by the name Elohim. Rather, they both are still part of Bereshit in the beginning. Therefore, everything is considered as if it is included within Erech Anpin, that is, the beginning. After it became known by the name Elohim, it gave birth to the generations that came from the seed shown within it. He asks, "What is that seed?" and replies, "The seed is the engraving letters, which are the secret of the Torah," referring to Zohar, which emanates from that point which is Erech Anpin. That supernal point which is Erech Anpin showed inside the chamber, which is Yisrael Saba and Tevuna, the secret of the three vowels, Cholam, Sharuch, and Chirik. So they are combined into one secret, as one that emerges from the joining of three vowels. When the voice came forth, its female counterpart came with it. She included all the letters, as it is written, the heaven, beresheet 1:1, that is, the voice and its female principle, the voice which is the secret of the heaven, is the last name of Ahia, which is the brightness that contains all letters and colors in this manner. Until now, this is the secret of Hashem or Elohim, Hashem, Devarim 6:4. These three grades correspond to the supernal secret in the verse, "In the beginning Elohim created," and so the term "in the beginning" is an ancient secret, namely, Chokmah, that is called beginning. The term created alludes to concealed secret, from which everything else expands. Elohim's secret meaning is sustaining everything that exists below. The term the heavens alludes to the union of the male and female, and it is forbidden to separate them, but rather one should combine them, for they are the secret of the voice and the utterance, Yod-K, Vav-K, Adonai, which are united into one. The principle et, the, is created by combining the letters Aleph and Tav, which are the first and last letters of the alphabet. Thus, et includes all the letters from beginning to end. Afterwards, the letter He was added to et, so all the letters would be united with He. This formed the word Atah, you, Aleph, Tav, He. Thus the verse reads, "And you do preserve them all." It is the secret of Adonai, and is so called. Heaven is Yod-K, Vav-K, which is superior to the name Adonai. For Zeranpin, called the heavens, and also called voice, is the secret of the name of Yod-K, Vav-K. And his female principle, called et, and speech, is the secret of the name Adonai. The word ve'et and the alludes to the establishment of the male and female principles. The et is the secret of Vav Yod He Vav He, and both are as one. The earth is the name Elohim, equivalent to the supernal, which is fit to issue fruit and offspring. This name is included in 3 places and defined in many ways. Up until now, it is the secret of the most secret of mysteries, which was engraved, built, and established in the concealed manner according to the hidden meaning of one single verse. Beresheet is formed of the segments beresheet. He created 6. Because from one of the heaven to the other there are 6 branches that extended from the secret of the sublime with the expansion of bara created, bara expanded from within the first point, which is Arich Anpin. And here on this first point, the secret of the name with the 42 letters was engraved. That will be the end of 1 and 2, chapters 1 and 2 of Beresheet.